What's up, coffee drinkers? I'm Bryce,
And I'm Chad.
and we are the Coffee Nerds, trying all the coffees so you don't have to.
Yes.
Today we've got,
Gevalia.
is it Gevalia?
Oh, I always say
Gevalia?
Gevalia.
Coffee. We got coffee in a yellow package. Gevalia Cafe, that's what we'll go with. It's Swedish.
It's Swedish.
Yes. We'll see how
Yeah.
it compares to IKEA, I guess, and their coffees.
It's the Majestic Blend.
Geese. Bold roast. Which is supposed to be
roast.
dark, so I have high expectations.
Yeah, it's the only one that I've ever seen that's beyond the dark roast. Are we ready?
Yeah.
I like it.
That's good. I don't know that it's like super dark. I feel like it's just dark.
Like it's just dark.
Yeah, I'd be interested in trying one of their dark roasts, maybe for comparison. But it just seems like a regular dark roast, which is fine. It's good.
That's
Definitely.
not a bad idea. Yeah, it's on the bitter side for me. It seemed a little, I don't know. It seemed to me like it has a little more flavor to it.
Yeah.
And it is a little bit more bitter. It's bitterer, but it's still good.
Yeah, I think it's got a nice flavor. I don't know what I would call that flavor, but it's good.
It almost has a slight salty taste to me, too.
Yeah, I could get that a little bit.
But I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's definitely a good one. This is my first time trying this brand, so.
They're one of my more favorite brands.
Okay.
We drink it a lot, probably because it's on sale quite a bit.
Okay. Yeah, the price wasn't bad. Do you know if they do whole bean or is it all ground?
Yeah, they have whole beans.
Okay. I like whole bean. Whole bean.
I don't know if in this Majestic, but the other brand or the other blends and stuff do.
Okay.
Other roasts. So, all right.
Yes.
Time for a little bit of trivia. So, World War I ended with the signing of the Treaty of Versailles, June 28, 1919. Germany surrendered on November 11th, 1919, and all nations agreed to stop fighting while the terms of peace were negotiated.
The treaty redivided territory belonging to the losing side, restricted German military, and established the League of Nations. Unhappy with what it considered a vindictive settlement, Germany would grow to resent the treaty and the League. ...
Yes. Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
They had to take the brunt of the blame.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting that they got hit with restrictions, but no one else seemed to, even though there were at least 3 or 4 countries in the war.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll do it. Alright, we'll try out some Gevalia Cafe.
Yes.
Let us know what you think. Let us know what you want us to try next. And we will see you next week. And I will wave my cup some more. That's some delicious coffee. What's up, coffee drinkers? Subscribe! Are you going to say something, Chad? I mean, Llama.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell in the corner over there.
If you don't ring the bell, I'll ring your bell. Got understood? All right.
Bye.